The portable power station 99WH, weighing in at just 1.3 pounds, is a compact power solution designed for those seeking a reliable energy source while on the go. With a capacity of 27,000 mAh, this unit is engineered to support a variety of devices, making it a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and anyone in need of extra power during emergencies. This power station features a continuous output of 70 watts, with a peak capability of 140 watts. This versatility allows users to connect multiple devices simultaneously, from smartphones and tablets to small appliances such as mini fridges or laptops. The thoughtful design of the station includes multiple output options, including USB ports, a DC output, and an AC outlet, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of electronics. One notable aspect of this power station is its ability to be charged via solar panels. This feature adds an element of sustainability and flexibility, allowing users to harness solar energy during outdoor adventures when access to traditional power sources may be limited. The integration of solar charging makes this unit an attractive option for those who frequently camp or hike, or for anyone who enjoys spending time in nature. In terms of usability, the portable power station is straightforward to operate. The interface is user-friendly, featuring clear indicators to display battery life and charging status. With its compact dimensions, it can easily fit into a backpack or vehicle, making it convenient for transport. The lightweight design does not compromise its durability, as it is crafted to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. When employing this power station, users may find it beneficial to plan their power needs in advance. By understanding the wattage requirements of their devices, individuals can maximize the efficiency of the power station and ensure that they have enough power for their intended use. This foresight can enhance the overall experience, particularly during extended trips or power outages. In summary, the portable power station 99WH offers a blend of portability and functionality, catering to a variety of power needs in a compact form. Its solar charging capability, multiple output options, and lightweight design make it a practical choice for anyone who requires extra energy while on the move or in remote locations.